Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies. My tunnel project, got our ports installed. Doing some injecting. A little noisy because we've got some water running through here. Just wanted to show you, once I start injecting, it's a very slow process. It's not done exact. You blow that port right there off the wall, or you can also blow all the epoxy out the back of the wall. Then everything that you've injected is going to just pour right on down and you're going to lose it all. You see how nice and slow those are moving. This port could take anywhere from a minute to 30 minutes. It's a slow process. You can follow this one as well as 2,000 others on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link and check out all my services. Thanks for watching, Jade Alpine. I'll see you guys on the next video.